So when you dance Samba, this particular choreography, so focus on your body leading the legs. So even here you begin, don't just stay in this position, use your body, this rib cage and hips to already warm up with a small body weight. Now from here, use that body to get you to that first cross. Now from here, don't just change, but do left, right with your upper body. So try again. So this is we warm up. There you go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, you want to do volta, so think about your body leading you into the volta, not just cross. Think about this part of your body lifting up, and that takes you to the cross, and then here you can complete with the circle. And so this part is leading you. Now from here, for this corta giacca, the same. You see we stretch here, we have our lower body, like hips, leading the leg forward, and upper body counterbalancing this leg back. So it looks like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, rather than just leg. So let's do it together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Follow for more.